In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Chrome tracking protection in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want more privacy while browsing, or if a website is not working properly because cookies are being blocked. I'll walk you through exactly where the setting is, what it does, and how to change it both ways. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its main settings and controls. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Now you're inside the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different categories. Find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the main privacy controls for Chrome, including cookies, browsing data, and tracking-related options. Next, click Third-Party Cookies. This is the section that controls most of Chrome's tracking protection settings. Third-party cookies are often used by websites and advertisers to track your activity across different sites, so this is where you can manage how much tracking Chrome allows. If you want to enable stronger tracking protection, choose Block Third-Party Cookies. This helps prevent many websites from tracking you across the internet and gives you a higher level of privacy while browsing. It's a good option if you want more control over your data and want Chrome to limit cross-site tracking. On the other hand, if you want to disable tracking protection or make browsing less restricted, choose Allow Third-Party Cookies. This tells Chrome to allow normal tracking and cookies again, which can help certain websites load properly, remember logins, or keep shopping carts and session data working as expected. So to quickly recap, if you want more privacy, block third-party cookies. If you want fewer restrictions, allow third-party cookies. That's the main setting you need to change to enable or disable Chrome tracking protection. And that's it. Now you know how to manage Chrome tracking protection in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.